Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. As per usual, I don't know what's in here, but it was likely, here recently was likely a response to my community post about wanting some new knives for review, and this person responded, so thank you so much. I'm sure we'll find out a little bit more once we are in the box. Thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, do our usual cut with the scalpel. Doing great today. Good deal. And then we'll just sort of rip into it. Oh my gosh! Those were packed tight. All right, come on. Tactical peanuts galore. Here we go. What do we have here? We have a. So we're gonna let me clear the peanuts out of here, and then I think this is going to require that we boost the exposure just a little bit. We do have a note. Good deal. Oh, very cool sticker. I'm gonna lay that right there, real quick. Let's take a look. Oh, this is Floydian. Yes, Floydian 214. This gentleman has sent many things to the channel in the past. Very much appreciate you. Here's his Instagram. Follow him at Floydian 214 on Instagram. Let's see here. Let's take a look. Oh boy. Feel free to use it and enjoy it. I know wood isn't your thing, but it is a good example of a great South African maker's work. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, buddy. This is cool. So this must be the, I don't know if that's Floydians or, oh my God. Oh God, that is beautiful. You're right. Wood isn't my thing, but oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can, I mean, like sometimes when this happens, this is a combination of too much caffeine and being caught completely off guard by something that is very beautiful. So this is an Andre Thorburn L51. You ready? Oh boy. Yeah, that is just fantastic. I am a big fan of straight lines. I mean, like, man, this just melts into the hand. I'm losing my ability to string together a coherent sentence right now. Say something about the knife, for God's sakes. Wow, this is ridiculous. Dude, I wasn't sure. I don't remember you saying specifically that you were going to send this, but maybe we had a conversation. I said, yeah, sure, I'd like to check it out. My channel is an everything channel, meaning I will explore custom knives, I will explore high-end production knives, mid-techs, right, custom tech, whatever you want to call that, budget knives, regular sort of mid-range production. I'll cover everything. I like to learn, I like to explore, I like to present you guys with variety, and this is a perfect opportunity for me to take a look at another South African knife maker's work. They do... For anybody who doesn't know, from my experience with South African custom knife makers, you know, they bring an enormous amount of quality to the table, or at least, you know, the knives that I've handled from the makers, you know, that I'm familiar with, they bring an enormous amount of quality to the table, and oftentimes you can get into a custom like this for substantially less than what you might think. Anybody who's familiar with pricing on custom knives, usually we see smaller price points. Now, I might be getting ahead of myself because I have no idea what this knife costs. And it's not like Andre, keep saying, do I keep saying Andrew Thorburn? Andre Thorburn. Oh my gosh, cringe festival. I have no experience with this knife whatsoever. This is my first impression of it. But Andre Thorburn is not a name that people are going to be unfamiliar with in the custom knife world. So yeah, this is going to require a great deal of exploration, learning, understanding, things like that. But first impressions, oh my gosh, look at this inlay work. And we have the bronze underneath, the nice contrast between the bronze, the black, and the wood here. Hardware looks amazing. Look at the work on the back here. God dang. Just trying to take an opportunity to give you guys a close-up of something that obviously has an insane amount of work in it. It's like a nearly mirror finished flat up here, and then we have obviously a hand rub satin finish on the blade. The action is perfection. Yeah, it's perfection. The detents is tuned exactly right. Engagement of the liner lock is wonderful. Disengagement, I guess. Flipping action is just insane. But this fall shut here, frictionless, completely and totally frictionless. My goodlet. Do you guys see what's happening right now? My ability to just use regular, like, English has gone out the window. I've become dyslexic. What is happening? This is really, it's throwing me for a loop here. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Floydie, and I'm sure you'll get a kick out of this, you know, brain scrambling that's going on right now. Anyways, guys, I think that's all I can say at the moment. You'll get a review of this knife, but it'll probably be down the road a bit because, like I said, this is one that I'm going to have to study. Guys, please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Thanks again, Floydie. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.